Isaiah 60 verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Like everyone, I have this idea of mine, and that is to become an architect someday. Leaving my home to study architecture is one of the biggest decisions I made as a teenager. Decision that will change my entire life. But no one warned me that leaving my comfort zone to live my dreams will be sounds like this. The sounds of unfamiliar environment. Hi, ako nga pala si Jan Wayne. Wayne na lang for short. Tamad ako. Pero nag-architecture ako. Good luck na lang talaga. I am from Calaca City, Batangas. A 19 years old boy. But still immature and always rely on others to do something. Pinanganak ako taong 2005, ikapito ng Hunyo. I'm a Gemini and my blood type is O positive. As a college student, we all have this art appreciation subject. Pero ano nga ba ang art appreciation subject? For me, the idea I have for this subject is kinda similar to our CPAR subject during senior high school, which will tackle and discuss the principal elements and origin of the artworks, which will help us to know and appreciate arts. In art appreciation subject, I am expecting to learn a lot of things that will help me grow as an artist as well as an architecture student. In the journey of architecture, there will be an ups and downs. But whatever happens, just remember Jeremiah 29 verse 11. It says, "The plans I have for you declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a future and a hope." That's why, no matter what happened on the road, don't let it discourage you because everything's happened for a reason. So yun, muli ako si Wayne. Tamad ako at pangarap ko maging arkitekto. For more videos like this and to get to know me better, you can visit my IG account. And if you're looking for online products, you can visit my TikTok account because I do affiliate there. And I think you will like the products I am promoting. Napaka-easy.